So I've been asked by a few of you just to show off how easy dip dyeing one of your lovely rocks is into a nail polish mixture. So I've got here a grotty container. That's the only word I'm going to use because it's going to get messy. This is a messy job, spot glove. Otherwise you get covered in nail polish, I promise. So we've got plain water in there right up to the top, because one of the key things with this is when you put the stone in, you don't want it to touch the bottom. So make sure this water's as deep as you can get it there. Also make sure you're right close to a sink because you will need to get rid of it. So what I'm doing is I've already opened up some nail polishes here, a whole mixture of colours, just very cheap and cheerful. And I'm going to just pour in, without touching the water there, Beth. Okay, just going to pour in really gently. It was working just now. There we are. So that's our first colour in. Now you have to work quickly because they will set and solidify. So what you start doing is you start adding more colours into there. You can see them just spreading out. You have to add them real slow because if there's too much weight they just sink. So I'm just going to pour a whole pile on there. Always when you're doing these it's lovely to have some lighter colours just for bits of highlights. There we go. I'm going to finish at this one, I think. Okay, so all you need now is a cocktail stick, and don't touch the edges because that's where the nail polish is setting already, and this is why you have to work quickly. Is now you just stir through, create yourself a design, pull the colours through each other, make it just as pretty as you like, as complex as you like, something like that. Now you'll take one of your stones. I'm trying a nude one here. I normally start them with a white underbase. Let's see how it goes on without. Just going to dip it in gently. Make sure the stone doesn't touch the bottom because that'll spoil it. Okay, and then just pull it out and pop it to dry. Because it's nail polish, it dries. I'm just going to get rid of a couple of those bubbles, little faults on it. There we go. Because nail polish dries nice and quickly. That is how you dip dye stones in nail polish. Have a great weekend.